In this video, I'm going to show you all the software that we use in our agency, in our online business, and the software that we use with our clients to help them grow their business, expand their message, and get it out there, right? So a lot of you get super overwhelmed with the amount of software that there are out there to do everything online. It's kind of, I remember when I started using online stuff, it was like, okay, what email autoresponder do I use? And there's like 10,000 autoresponders. It's like, oh, which one is the best one? And then there's a whole variety of prices, and they go from $9 a month to like $700 a month, and it's like, what do I do? So I've decided to make this video today to show you the software that we use in Peak Marketing team for us and for our clients. These are not the only software. We have a lot of clients that use other type of software. I'll tell you about it in a little bit, but these are the ones that we absolutely love. Like, if there was a perfect world, these are the ones that we absolutely love using, that it's easy to use, that are the best price for what they give. And yeah, so here they are. So let me just move these a little bit. Okay, cool. So you know that in Peak we build funnels, right? So funnels are not a website. Websites have a lot of information. They have the about page, the biography, gallery, they have so many things. A funnel, remember, is just a page that has one call to action, and then it's a sequence of pages that allows your client to go through a sales process. So for us, the best software to build funnels is ClickFunnels. I'm a huge fan of ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson. And yeah, there's other software like Kartra and Lead Pages, and we also use those for our clients. But we love ClickFunnels because it allows you to do so many things, right? Like, you can have an opt-in page, and then a sales page, an order form, upsells, downsells. It connects with a lot of other software like Stripe and PayPal, and there's so many things that you can do. And inside of ClickFunnels too, you can have membership areas. So I just love it. I think it's really easy to use. It's, a lot of people complain that it's glitchy, but it's not. If you know how to use it, or if you have a good funnel builder, then it's cool. It's really easy to use, and we just love ClickFunnels. I'm a diehard ClickFunnels fan, and Russell Brunson, I love him completely. Thank you for building ClickFunnels. Then for email autoresponder. So there's a lot of people that come to us and they have MailChimp. And I'm like, no, why MailChimp? MailChimp was like the first autoresponder, and it was really popular. But now there's so many other software out there that are amazing to automate all your emails, to send broadcasts and campaigns, and segment your audience into different buckets so that you know what kind of product to send to each kind of bucket, right? So our favorite email autoresponder of all time is ActiveCampaign, and it's actually quite cheap. You can pay $9 a month for the basic package, like 1,000 contacts. That's really, really good. Most of the autoresponders are like $49 a month for up to 1,000 or 2,000 contacts. So we really, really like ActiveCampaign. The interface is really cool. And another thing, we like ClickFunnels, the basic package, with the email, and you can do email autoresponder and all of those things inside of ClickFunnels. But we tend to use ClickFunnels with ActiveCampaign, all right? And then for your domain, where do you buy your domain? Again, there's so many hosting places. We like GoDaddy, really easy to use. HostGator is really good. We use Google domains, but it's like, there's something really complicated about Google domains. Like, you open the account with one email and then it just gets mixed up. It's crazy. So just go with GoDaddy, really easy. When you do all the integrations, it's super fast. There's some places that takes up to 72 hours to propagate the information on your URL or your domain, and it takes forever, like Wix. The other day we were integrating a Wix domain into ClickFunnels, and it took 72 hours to integrate. It was crazy. So GoDaddy, really easy to use, really good customer service, and yeah, it's really good. For webinars, we love doing webinars, live webinars and pre-recorded webinars. Whatever you're doing, Webinar Jam is amazing. Yes, you can do auto webinars in ClickFunnels, that's fine. But if you want something more robust that you can also send emails, use Webinar Jam. Webinar Jam for live webinars and EverWebinar for auto webinars. Why do I absolutely love Webinar Jam for live webinars? Before the webinar starts, you need to send reminders, right? You need to send emails saying, hey, remember we're going live tomorrow, right? So Webinar Jam makes it really easy to send emails. So you have your date of your webinar, let's say next Thursday. So it's really easy with Webinar Jam to send emails 24 hours before the webinar, 48 hours before the webinar. When you use Zoom, and like Zoom is very limited with the emails before a webinar. So I really like Webinar Jam. Super easy to use. The interface to go in live, super easy. You can share your presentation on PowerPoint. You can embed sales pages. It's really, really cool. For design, so if you want to design your own thumbnails, your own pictures for your banners on Facebook, on your Facebook group, on your YouTube channel, Canva. Canva is amazing. Most people use the free version, but we love using the pro version for two reasons. One, you can download the images with a transparent background in PNG. So for example, if you create your logo in Canva and you want to download it with a transparent background so you can put it anywhere, then you need the pro version. And another super cool thing that you can do with Canva Pro is, you know, you have a picture and you want to cut out the background. You just want to have yourself with like cut out of the picture. With Canva Pro, it's just a click of a button and ta-da, you're cut out of the picture. It's awesome. For file management, we love doing Google Drive. We use Google Drive with our clients. So every time we get a client, we build a Google Drive folder and they put all of the information. It's really easy for us as a team to know where the information is, really organized, and we see in live time when someone is editing a document. So it's really cool for file management. For chatbots, you know that messenger chatbot that you get on Facebook, that one we use ManyChat. Absolute best. There's no other option here. ManyChat is the absolute best. And in peak marketing, we don't do e-commerce. We've done some funnels for e-commerce, but if you have a physical product and you have like kind of like a store, something like Amazon, and you're selling different physical things, then Shopify is gorgeous. The templates are beautiful. It's really easy to use. And then for payments, so you have PayPal, Stripe, and there's some others. We love Stripe. So easy for us to test everything. We just put it in test mode in ClickFunnels, and then we run tests as if we were a real client. So it makes it really easy to track. So we just love Stripe for payments. And just like a bonus, there is one software that if you find that you can't do an integration, for example, between ClickFunnels and your email autoresponders. So for example, something that happened with us last week with MailChimp, you can only create 5 audiences with the Pro package. And then after that, you have to pay a lot more money to be able to create more audiences. And from ClickFunnels, when you integrate it, there's no way to put tags from ClickFunnels into MailChimp. So we were like, okay, what do? We don't want our client to have to upgrade to the next level of MailChimp because it was really expensive. So there's this software called Zapier. All right, I'm gonna write it over here. It's called Zapier, and it's a really, really cool software that works with the logic of if this, then that, right? So if someone opts in into ClickFunnels, then put a tag in MailChimp, right? So when you can't find an integration between two software, then go to Zapier. They're probably 100% sure they have it. So for example, if you have people coming into your ManyChat and you want to put that information in a Google Sheet, then use Zapier. Tell Zapier if someone comes into ManyChat, then put that information in Google Sheets. Things like that. So that's just an extra bonus that I forgot to put here. Zapier is super useful to do connections that are not out of the box inside of other software. So yeah, these are the software that we use for our business and for all of our client businesses. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you would like to get training on how to use, for example, ClickFunnels, how to build the funnels, how to design them, same thing with ManyChat, and how to connect with your email, then go to calltosoulmachine.com and join our $7 program. We have step-by-step instructions on how to build your funnels, how to build your chat bots. We have templates, really cool stuff that you can learn how to use all of these software to have your business online. Guys, right now with this whole COVID situation, we've seen that people that have their business online are thriving right now. So if you don't have your business online and you're super scared of all the techie stuff, then we're here for you. If you are not a do-it-yourselfer, then contact me. We can do it for you. All right. So that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.